Hi Josey fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I hope you are all staying safe. So in this video I'm going to create a soft afternoon glam, and I'm going to start off by using this color box hydra mask, and I'm going to place that on my model's face and let that sit for about a few minutes before I go in and start applying the makeup.
I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. I know I never meant to hurt you. I know I never meant to hurt you.
So far, after taking off the mask, I applied some primer and I've also applied some foundation, and I went ahead and applied some concealer underneath the eye, the bridge of the nose, the forehead and the chin area to highlight, and I've blended it into the skin, and as you can see I am still blending it into the skin. So far, after ensuring everything has been blended well, I'm going in with some setting powder on the areas I highlighted, and I'm using my beauty blender to do that. And I'm going to make sure that I let this sit on the face and bake for a while before I blend it out. So far, in blending out the powder I applied on the highlighted areas, I make sure I take some of the powder and blend the rest of the face. And here I am using a detailed brush to blend the under eye area. And I'm going in with an eyeshadow primer now to prime the eyes before I start applying my eyeshadow. So after blending, I'm going to use this Tropical Twilight by Tammy X Revolution, and I'm taking Tanned to apply on the crease area, and this is going to be my transition shade.
It doesn't make any sense to me, but who am I to question my feelings?
And I'm going to take this shade called Sundown, and I'm going to apply that on the outer V, and I'm going to take that same color into the socket area, not too much into the crease, just to give it that brick red look or that berry look. And this is going to be what I'll be using to smoke the eye. And now I'm going to apply this golden shimmer called Glow, and I'm going to use that on the inner to the middle part of the eyelid. So I am still going in with this same shimmer just to intensify the color on the eyelid. And so fam, please give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I'm going in again with the same transition shade I used, and I'm going to use that to blend the edges of that berry color just to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And now I'm going in with this eyeliner from Colorbox, and I'm going to use that to line the eye and also prep the eye. This also doubles as a lash glue, and I'm going to apply some lashes afterwards.
No, I never meant to hurt you. No, I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I?
So far at this point, I'm trying to extend and also correct the line, the wing, and now I am going in to contour, and I'm going to use this Tammy X Revolution face palette, and it is the golden hour, and this is the deepest palette. And I'm going to take the contoured cheek, that is the contour shade, and I'm going to use that to contour the cheeks and then the lower jawline as well as the forehead area. And fam, I love the look, I love the outcome of this palette. It's really chiseled out the cheeks, and it's really nice to use this as a contour. And now I'm going to take this bronzed bell. It is the bronzer in this golden hour palette, and I'm going to use that to contour the nose. And I'm using this instead of the contour cheek because I do not want that darkness. I just want a rather bronzier look to kind of contour the nose instead of a darker color or a darker shade to contour the nose. And that's just my preference. So yes, that is what I'm doing now, and I love the outcome of it.
Feeling this way. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is.
So far I'm going in with this golden hour highlighter. I just love how that highlighter is looking, and I decided to go in with that highlighter on the eyelid just to intensify that golden look. And I decided to reduce the wing of the first one I did, and I think I love it because I also reduced the length of the lashes. And so I just cleaned that initial wing and redid it. And now I'm going in with this blush in the same palette, and wow, I love this blush. Yes, I love this blush, and it's called the Blushed Baby Girl from the same palette. And I love the shade and how it looks on my model, and it's really beautiful. In reality, it looks really beautiful. I don't know if the camera is doing justice. And so now I'm going in with the same highlighter called Golden Hour, and I'm going to highlight the cheekbone as well as the brow bone area. And wow, this highlighter is stunning, so beautiful, so beautiful. I love the way it's looking on the shade or the skin tone of my model. And wow, fam, comment down in the comment section below what you think of this look. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you are, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and join the Josey family, join the Josey family. So I'm going to apply the same highlighter on this side of the cheeks. Wow, I love this highlighter. It's so beautiful, so stunning. Wow. So I'm going to apply the same highlighter on the bridge of the nose and the cupid's bow as well. So fam, now I'm going to apply some lip liner, and I'm using a brown pencil for that, after which I'm going to apply some pink lipstick and also going with some gloss. And here I'm applying some brow gel to tame the brows. I went ahead and drew the brows, and so now I'm applying some lip gloss to the lips. And that's it for this video, fam. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, stay safe, fam, and never give up. Love you all. Mwah. Bye, fam.